sleeping.
Bia sleeping.
I know how to wake up Bia. Bak bak.
Bark, bark, bark.
Ay, she's sleeping. Too loud?
Oh, okay.
Well guys, we are going camping. So, truly excited. First time na may lalabas namin ng mga bata because as
After
you guys
the
all
wedding.
know, wedding planning is not easy. Grabe yun.
Now,
oh my goodness.
we have time.
Time with the kids talaga.
Overnight lang.
Yes, quick lang.
Wala na signal, kaya ngayon kami intro. Anak ko nga si Bia, inantok din ako. Ngayon ka lang makakasama. Lagi na rin namin pinupuntahan tumahan.
Daddy, did you always wear seatbelt when you're a baby?
Yes, you have to.
You have to because
Even
that's
when
for
you're adult,
safety.
even when you're adult, you usually wear a seatbelt. But the reason why we're not just wearing a seatbelt, we're inside. We're here already. We're in the camping site already.
But you're not wearing.
There's no cars.
That's why I'm
though.
explaining, baby.
Again?
It's a lie from you.
For forever, ever, ever till the end. Best part of life.
We want that one. The best one. I remember this camping.
You remember this camping?
Yeah.
But there's no Daddy Ray that time, right?
Yeah. Now Daddy is here.
Yeah! Where's Kuya? Bumaba agad si Kuya. Kuya, saan ka? I love you!
Dong dong! Dang ding! It's time for gold card, Mommy.
Okay,
Ding
come
dong
on.
dong!
Let's go. Daddy, welcome! Kasama ka na namin.
Nakakatawa naman.
May nakita kami nagbabasketball dun sa labas. Sabi namin dayuhin namin, makapaglaro siya. Very province. Come on, I'm so happy.
Nakapaalang, no?
Ito ang pinaka-hinihintay ko. Puro tayo city, puro tayo pag-ano. Ito ang pinaka... Talaga naman.
Walang signal yung ganun.
Walang signal. Camera lang yung meron. Masaya na naman ang service. Hi! Kamusta? Thank you! Si Ray, mahal sila yung owner. Daddy, hi! Hi, Kuya Lucas. Bia, nasa camping tayo. Ba't ka nagpapaata? Hi guys! Say hi! Hello! Ayan, mga tropa pets natin dito yan sa Rizal.
Make sure to buckle up.
Bye, Mama Sita.
Buckle up.
Yay! I'm so excited.
I can tell.
Thank you po, salamat.
Lucas, tayo naman.
Yes!
Ayan na nga. Excited na nga siya. Let's go, Kuya. Are you ready?
Yes!
Let's do it. Let's get settled. Gotta put in our seat belts, of course. Go ahead, do what you do. Make sure you click it. Plakaw, that's my son. Here. Here na nga, I'm settled and I'm ready. Strapped up real well. You gotta let the hair loose. This is the situation right now. Yung tuhod ko, nandito na. Big people problems.
Hi, boys!
Open my eyes, I slept through the day. Slept through the day, feeling the...
Mom, are you ready?
Yeah, I'm ready. How about Bia? Are you ready?
Yes! 3, 2, 1.
'Cause tonight I'm gonna take you out and live the dream.
Ready? Yes! I'm ready!
Forget that we broke. I wanna celebrate and have some fun tonight. I wanna show you all the lavish things tonight. So raise a toast for all the good times that we'll have. It'll be like the movies, be like.
We're going to the water na! Ayan na water, oh!
Wow!
Bia! We're going to the water!
We're gonna
Did you get basa? Okay, be patient!
I just wanna dance, pull up my card and swipe it again. 'Cause tonight I'm gonna take you out and live the dream that we've been talking about. So we can down celebrate and have some fun tonight. I wanna tonight. So raise a toast for all the good times that we'll have. Rich people dreaming. Rich people dreaming. Rich people dreaming. Rich people dreaming. Rich people dreaming.
Oh, I got a new passenger. Passenger princess. Yeah.
Yes!
Pak pak.
Pak?
Pak pak. Search naman daw. Sila naman nandun. We gotta take care of mommy.
May driver ako. Oh, huwag ka din ganon. Steady lang, steady lang. Go, kuya! Galing ng driver ko! Oops, kuya, careful. Ay, talaga naman kinakabahan ng ina! Pero ang galing ni Lucas, ang galing kasi mag-drive talaga nitong batang to. Mahilig siya sa cars. O, careful lang ha, or sa water. Dirty family! Diyos ko, puro putik na. Tia!
Good job, kuya. I'm proud of you.
And Pia will be here next. And me and Mommy will be here next. Okay?
Copy that. What are you doing, little girl? Why are you throwing rocks?
I like to. Who is this big one?
Princess ka pa rin magbato ha. Big stone. And then look, Mommy. Whoa!
Oh.
Want to cry?
Ang
Oh
cute
wow,
naman.
princess pa din ha. Clean up your dirty hands. It's a clear water.
Daddy, see this rat?
Oh, throw it. Did you enjoy the ilog?
Yeah, I can enjoy it in Logat ko.
Tagalog lang po.
Papa.
Galing-galing mo! Galing-galing mo!
Hey, this is a nugget!
Ay! Kuya, sinasadya mo na!
Why is she eating it? She's pranking me. Why are you eating my shirt, Bea? I said wipe your face. I said wipe your face.
Galing ng anak ko, grabe! Nakaka-proud ng bata to. Bata pa lang, mahilig na mag-explore ng mga pwede niyang gawing hobbies. Ito yung mag-ama ko. Bakbakan na!
Tatanong kayo bakit ito parati ko suot. Sponsored kasi. Sponsored ang brother-in-law ko to. Verified. Insert ko na dyan. Check out na. Eh, dumating na yung ari, oh. Topol. Naka-verified din, di ba? Oh.
Hi guys! Nakakahilo. Hi! Hello! Hilong-hilo ako. Hello po.
Kaya sabi ko kasi kanina, kada outing ko, suot ko parati verified na to. Iisip ng mga ibang tao na wala na ako ibang t-shirt. Sabi ko, Sponsor kasi ako ng verified. Kung may ari ng verified, visit. Sponsor, kaya check out na kayo. Check out nyo na yan.
Papabuhat ako. Tingnan niyo siya. Para kang ano dyan ba?
Bagat na dito.
Para kang gagamot na. Mang pepweng.
Hindi, mahal. Alam ko
Buti na lang naka-LB ka.
Kailanganin mo eh. Alam ko yan. Oh, buhat na.
Ang daming pala ka nagulunda.
Tataka. Ito eh. Ano?
Hindi ko pa, pag tumalon ako, gaganon to sa mukha mo.
1, 2, 3. Yan! Yun na naman kailangan. Oh! Panis.
Kala mo pala ka, maiisahan mo ako. May asawa na ako ngayon.
Special delivery.
Oh, what's the
Hey,
password
beautiful.
first?
Password is Willa Bia.
Correct.
Correct, yeah.
Enter.
Enter. Thank you. Come here. Anong honeymoon? Dito tayo. Bawi sa anak. Wala na, hindi ko na ma-open yung page ko. Hindi ko ma-post yung mga reception after party. Naghang na yung page ko. Benji, ikaw gumawa ng alak ko, please. Naririnig ko sila. Wala talaga.
The shadows were dancing on the building's golden light when sunset glow. Bustling streets and busy traffic.
So guys, my mom is here right now.
Taray mo ah. Nauna ka pa mag-vlog sa akin. Where are we going?
To the park po! Yeah!
To the ilog.
Right, Ilog. We're going to the waterfalls too.
Yeah, we're going to the waterfalls
With
too.
the ATVs, I'm gonna drive. Daddy, look. Dun, 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 dun.
Hi, Bia, Bia.
Mommy, swim.
Too great.
Yeah.
Felt like love looked like forever, but I feel
Guys, kunin nyo na yung maduduming damit nyo. Pwede tayo maglaba dito. Sakit ng puson ko! Yung pimple ko ba kita?
Daddy, yaya.
I think we need to go to falls. Oh, don't eat your fingers.
Eat your finger.
I like you.
Anong I like to? Halika, mahal. Kailangan na natin to. Ayusin namin lahat nung mag-activity kami. Yung cellphone ko na sa susuko na naman.
Yan, mga go.
ATV ka? Pwede dito ako. Ikaw na.
Okay.
Love you, mommy.
Love you!
Yay! Akakas ni Lucas.
Ang galing ni Lucas. Sobrang nakaka-proud.
akin dati.
Tapos yung mga...
Putek.
Irritable siya. Ayaw niya na maputikan siya. Okay lang yan, minsan ka lang madumihan. Si Lucas nakaka-proud. Si Lucas talaga, idol ko. Anak ko to. You are brave? What did you do?
So brave. She's not afraid of the water.
Wow!
And Kuya, good job. I'm so proud of you. Good drive na.
Bababa tayo sa ilog. Oh, let's go. Hello po. Hello. Galing ng anak ko ah.
I'm gonna be in the ATV all by myself.
Okay guys, papakita ko sa inyo kung saan kami bababa. Feeling ko better not to use slippers.
Yeah, I was just gonna ask too.
Oh, muli natin yung slippers natin. Ganito oh, yung mga batang ano dati.
Ganyan, kuya.
Ayaw mo,
Mommy,
diba?
why are you doing like that?
Because I'm batang 90s. That's why I'm doing like this. Gandang workout yan ah. Yung mga ano ko, oh, ayun na sila oh.
Mga bata nakakapag-explore na.
Oo nga eh.
Next time, hiking naman.
Bala na kayo pataas ah.
Not step on the rock.
Okay guys, donut.
Ay! Okay. Ginagawa mo. Huwag kayo apak sa makapal na bato, madulas. Aray ko yung puwet ko, ang sakit. Bia, this is the pool. Naghahanap ka na swimming pool, pupunta tayong ilog. It's clean water, look. Go.
Wow, good job. You're so brave. You're so brave.
Go!
Careful. Oh, that is good, guys. Careful. Yeah.
Hello! Dati kanina pa tayo hindi nagkikiss. Di mo ako kinikiss.
Oh, I love you. Focus na sa mga bata.
Bia, let's go to the falls.
Go to the box.
Yeah! It's so cool. I got
Oh! I want that too! Paano yan? Pwede ba kami magpaturo? Tatalon kami, tatalon! Rada na experience natin ito sa Amadayo dati.
Talon-talon.
Yung talon-talon, maliliit tayo.
Nature didn't make it. Don't take it. Ano yun eh?
Grabe ang tanong. Galing lumangoy, oh. Nak, wait lang. Ay, yung anak ko, una-una, oh, iniwan ako, oh. Sup, sis? Sup, brother? Once you jump, kuya, you can never go back.
Wait.
Joke lang. Ay, si Toto Ronald muna.
A little nonsense, that's what I need.
Dada, catch me here. There.
Once you jump, kuya, you can never go back.
Wait.
I'll be smiling, that's for sure. Funny how you had the best of love. I don't know if I'm making
Ang tapang!
all I know. Sound of this
2, 3, go!
either way, I'd be the last to stay. That there's the night away, no matter what they say. There's the night away, but
No, kuya, oh. Go, Nisha! Yeah! Daddy!
2 a.m. lost your friends.
Diba, ang dami nang nakatalon. Hanggang ngayon, andito pa rin ako. Yung nanay pala yung takot.
Ayun, so ako si Mama.
So did it again. I don't know if I'm
Ako na naman ang naiwan. Hindi ako tatalo ng walang drone! Hanapin nyo yung drone!
Turned up this road. Only know I want the best of us. So bad. There's the night away, but nobody's awake. I'll be the last to stay.
Ang tapang mo!
Yes.
Wala, gusto mo pa din?
There's the night away.
Hindi na ako nakatalon.
last golden light when sun sank low. Passing streets and busy traffic, walking hand in hand. The roads were drawn like something certain. Every turn laid out so clear. Felt like love looked like forever, but I fear we had a pay.
I'm Mr. Lonely. Si Maui yun, natagpuan sa ilog ng Rizal. Hey.
Hey, I need to take these home. I don't know how I'm gonna get this in my luggage, but this gotta go with me. Bamboo. Yeah. Shall now have the straight with the Black Panther. Love you.
What did you do there?
I just poo-poo there.
You just poo-poo there.
That was funny.
That was funny. No, it's okay. It's normal. Tapos na sa ilog. Ito na. Kung nahihirapan tayo sa pababa, feeling ko mas mahihirapan tayo sa paakyat. Tapsilog. Pagod nyo si Mami at Daddy.
Kain.
Gutom talaga ako. Alam mo, kanina pa ako naghahanap turon. Mga ganitong feels, turon-turon to eh. Masarap to, mahal ka, mahal.
Thank you, Papa Jesus.
Thank you, Papa Jesus. We already pray. You want to pray? Susunod na ganito namin sa Palawan na. Kailangan namin dalhin yung kids dun sa farm. 7 years old lang si Lucas. Marunong na mag-drive nung car. Tapos nung ATV. Diyos ko po, baka pag 10 years old to, sumasalang. Dapat i-ano natin siya sa mga pro eh. Dito kasi guys, di ba merong iba hindi payag sa mga ganyan pambata. Pero dito kasi, we have our own guide.
Supervised naman lang.
Oo, so talagang kung ano naman magiging hobby ng mga anak namin, susuportahan namin. Kasi Lucas, nag-go-kart racing siya.
Motorsports talaga hilig ni Luke.
Oo. Tanungin nyo yan about engine, tsaka mga pagiging mekaniko, yun yung mga pinapanood niya. We're going home. Daddy, going home na. Tapos na ang overnight. Work na ulit tomorrow. Katukin natin yung mga bata. Guys, can you please say bye-bye to the vlog?
Bye-bye. Bye-bye camping, but we're gonna go back next time again.
Bye.
Mommy, where are we going tomorrow?
Home. Love you.